Sherry from Shenzhen Gowell company. Now, it's me to introduce you about our new machine, LCD flash laminating machine. Okay, first we will put the display on the machine. First, put the big display. Okay, very easy to put on. And now we will connecting the power adapter. Okay, on the machine. And about this cable, this is the power cable of the machine. This power cable is for the display. And they have another cable you should connecting on the display, on the screen, to the yellow one. Okay, and now we should to connecting the air compressor. Okay, you should to make sure it's very tightly. You cannot take off. Then we'll be okay. And this is the off. And this is the open button. Okay, now we already connecting with the air compressor. So now we will turn on the machine. 打开一下 turn on the machine. Okay. First, I will introduce you about this function. About the display, first we should turn on the first button. Turn on it. It's a button function. This is the pressure display. It's for the to show the pressure, and this one is pressure regulator. So we should to adjust the pressure. For iPhone, LCD flash and the touch flash, the pressure will be 180 to 200. Okay, and for Samsung, the LCD flash will be 220 to 240. The touch flash is 180 to 200. So we adjust it like this way. You will see we have the different number because we adjust it here. Okay. And for this is the light for this. Okay. And you can turn on, you can turn off. And this base light. Okay, the base light is here. The red one, it can show on the glass. Okay, we can turn it off. And this one is the heating up. Heating up is mean the blaze, heating blaze. Heating the blaze. And here the heating down. Heating down is mean this arrow. This one, the gold one. Okay, it's connected with the glass. Okay, and here have 3 buttons. This one is video switch. We turn on up. Up is for these 2 cameras. These 2 cameras, you will see like this. Okay, and if we turn down, the down is the bottom camera. We have another 2 camera. It's 2 camera. Okay. And this one is the pressure blaze. The make blaze down and make blaze up. Okay, later I will show you the details. Now let me to show you the iPhone 6, how to attach the laminating the iPhone 6 LCD flash and the iPhone 6 touch flash cable. Okay, 开始了. Okay, we should use this tape, the telephone. Okay. We put on the machine and the screw wheel. Okay. do like this, that will be fine. This is the iPhone 6 LCD, and first we must to put the LCD flash. Okay, we use this tape. Put wire on the flash, LCD flash cable. LCD flash, okay. And also we put the tape on the touch flash. Later we will use it for both sides. Okay. This one, the soldering iron, the temperature is 300. The temperature. Don't worry, you buy this machine, we will free you about this soldering iron. Okay. Now let us to adjust to turn on the light. We have the automatic and the manual. Now we adjust the automatic. We should clean the glass. Clean the glass. Because this LCD we already cleaned. And now adjust the camera. We have two separate screens. Okay, the right one will show the right camera, the left is show the left camera. They have vacuum, so vacuum. Okay, now we put the LCD flat cable. Already sitting with. Okay, then now we will turn down the video switch because we should see the down camera. Here have two cameras, so now we can adjust the down camera. Let's see the test. Okay, now we adjust the down camera. And now we should put the touch flash cable on the LCD. Take off the speaker. Okay, we put the touch flash on the LCD to see the display if you connect well or not. 这个怎么看？还有一个没人家了。
我在洗完之后不洗过。检查完这些是要检查一下看看。
是这个吗？不是这个吗？
测试。
哦。
如果压太多，它会压到IC，所以一般回去靠2个点，标记才能压成游戏。
就那个小游戏上的。那我应该是选这个。
压力计，主要是
可以压了，压了，压完了吗？Okay, so now the LCD flash cable and the touch flash cable already laminating the wheel. Later we will test it. That's all for this machine. Thank you.